again to another brand new video. Just like I said the other time that I'll be doing a video on frequency separation. So this is my reason why you shouldn't do frequency separation in some other photo edits. So the first reason is, let's get into the video first. Alright, so in this video here we have this photo, and in this photo we are going to edit it, and then I'll show you why I chose this kind of edit instead of this frequency separation one. So you just start by taking your healing brush, and then you just heal out the pimples, the heavy spots, just like that, just like that. Okay, in this very video it is quite simple, unlike the frequency separation where you have to make like many, you make many layers, many masks, and this one you just have only two backgrounds. The first one that we're doing here is just the very photo, the first background, and then you just take out the pimples, the heavy ones, and then after that you just rub using the mixer brush. Just like that. And then with the pimples, you just make sure that you're using the right size of the brush. Okay, after taking out all the pimples, just right click on the background and then just make a copy of the background. I'm gonna name it background copy. So select the background, and then after you selected the background, take a mixer brush, choose the other brush, just this one here, and make sure that clean brush is selected, and then you can go ahead and change the wet percentage. Change it to not too high, not too low. Just 60 or 50% is okay. And make sure that the background is selected, because the background is what you're brushing. So just brush every section on its own. Like don't brush over like you drag it all the way on the face, but just some other places of the photo of the face are white, others are dark, so every place on its own. You brush and then you click out, you brush, click out. Mix it very well and make sure that the sharper parts are meant to be sharp. So you see here the nose, right, very well. Okay, with frequency separation, you are not given many options, but with this one, I don't know how to call this one, but let's say this is my trick. Here, actually, the tone of the skin, you have more control over the tone. You can put it the way you want it. Yeah, you can put the original tone, you can put the tone of your own. So just continue brushing and brushing. Once you're done with the brushing, okay, here we go. So the reason why I say I chose to discover my own style of editing the faces is because sometimes you get many clients or many photos, and then you have to work a little faster. Then so I had to come up with an idea like this. Alright, almost done. Almost done. And there we have it. So we have brushed the face, all of it, very well. And so the next thing we are going to do is just the same background that we selected. You can see I selected out the background copy, so we have just the background. So that background, make sure it's selected, and then just click on, go to filter and then camera raw filter. So you do that. The camera raw filter, and then go to detail. Or I don't know what kind of Photoshop you're using, what version you're using. So in my version, you go to detail and then reduce the noise. You reduce the noise to about 60 to 70 is okay. I'm gonna use like 70 here. So make sure you can see that the eyes, the places you didn't mix, make sure they are okay, they are a little sharp. So after that, you can see the softness is alright here, all the noises are out, and the eyes are remaining sharper. So go ahead and make sure that the background copy is now visible. So you see the difference. That's the one we did on some mixer brush, and then there is this one. So already we selected out the pimples, and the face is okay with the tones. So what to do, make sure the background copy is selected, and then go to image, and then adjustment. After the adjustment, go to black and white, and then go to filter and then high pass. Choose the high pass. Okay, here's what you do. Go to the place, click on the, drop on the place you see that had a lot of pimples or appear to be rough, and then use it to select the radius. So in this case, I'm gonna go with this part, and then select my radius at this one. Okay. And then after that, you go and change the blending mode. Change the blending mode to linear light. Change the blending mode to linear light, and now you can see the last result. So this is the final result. You can see how we blended in the mixture with the high pass from the black and white photo. So you can weigh the two and see that actually I see that my method is actually better than the frequency separation, but it depends on how many photos you're handling. So in my method, you can see that you have control over your photo. Like you have control to change the skin tones. Like on the high pass, you can go a little higher or lower, and then let's say you messed in the high pass radius. But then you have, after changing your blending mode to linear light, in the opacity, you have option of reducing the opacity, like from 100, you can go lower, or if you can go even higher than the initial that you had. So I like this method. It saves time, it gives you more control over your skin tone of the subject, and it is easier. Yeah, it is easier, and it is faster. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that we will be clinging along as you'll be watching my videos. So leave down your comments, and I'll be sure to do what you suggest. And what else do you need me to do? So I hope you watched this black and white, changing black and white photo, restoring the color from a black and white photo. And then I hope you watched this one too. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I'll show you, of course. See you next time, and keep watching. Bye.
Man, get till I fade out.